Bobby Soxer.
Out here at Center Road, and that is after going to Derek's house yesterday. The weather's good today.
We've interfered with our affairs for the last time.
I am literally in the air right now, wrapping up a store. This first class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit this retro. Like the infrareds on my feet, baby, let's go. Send out your way, they know me ride, that's what they call me. Gotta catch a flight, but the fans wanna storm me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MGM, rockin' MCM. Bobby socks on my arm, it's only 10 p.m. Got a rap pack with me going ham at the hotel. Name brand, everything, fuck a wholesale, no. I am not materialistic, I was broke my whole life, don't know I don't miss it. Last 7 years of my life was in a lab, working every day, giving it everything I had. Now that a brother is finally recognized, I will not let the limelight hypnotize. Everybody be sure, I will always want more. Does anybody make real shit anymore? Check it out. Now, the grind never stops like I'm running from the cops. It's hard to stay humble when you're force-fed props, but I don't give a damn. I am just a man, I am not more important than any one of my fans. First name Bobby, so I'm all about the hundreds. Work so hard, everybody think I'm blunted. Gunning hard with the mask and Glock, and I'ma stay with extra clips till the casket drops. And I'm low in the next 3 years. Talking worldwide, not just hip-hop. Rappers nowadays so flip-flop. Talking about you wanna work, motherfucking kick rocks. I am on the come up, headed to the top. Reppin' FD, never wanna stop. Me and the crew, ease up, visionary, what to do. Step to the mic, lyricism, and so we go hard. Only on campus when I wanna study abroad. Guess that's why they wonder if I go there. All the groupie bitches wanna put their fingers through my hair. Can't fake the thirst, chill out, whoa there. Let me get it, let me bring it back. Haters talking shit, but I get with you when they doing that. Yes, I have a feeling that. Number one album, worldwide, and fuck whoever doubted.